Hi friends, here you can see the machine CYFLEX HP Morbidelli. This is the woodworking CNC machine. You can see from inside. It's a 3-axis CNC machine where we can put the sample in vertical position. Here is the IR beam light for safety, make of rear company. This uses 6 number of servo motor, 1 2 3 4, and there are for x-axis 5 and 6. I will show you. These are the servo drive which upon the clamping and which clamp the material, clamp the object, and also moving it. Here we going to power on. You can see this one is the main contactor. When machine goes to start, this should hold, and these two also must be hold based on safety. You can see here are 6 servo drive and 1 VFD for a spindle. You have to wait a while for starting the main operating system. Okay, now this one is the CPU for servo drive, or mean for CNC. Check this battery. If this is totally discharged, it will not work. Now let on the pneumatic air pressure. Okay. Initially this 13 LED should glow. First will glow after I start the push button there on front desk. You can see PLC input output. Just now this 13K2 is unholding, but while we start the machine after pressing push button, then the pin number 6 of digital output of this PLC will turn on this 13K2, and it only possible when there is no any error on the machine, because the watchdog on the PLC is continuously monitoring its output. If there is some safety fault or discontinuity of emergency, in that case this will not allow the. Here is the first emergency, and here is the second emergency, and one third one from the pendant or its joystick comes in this connector. Okay, you can check its continuity. These 3 LED shows indication for the continuity of emergency if they in the case of no any fault. And after here 14, 13 and 12, after this 11 and 10 is for door safety switch. I can show you. Here is door safety. Actually I just bypass it, directly connected this connection, this first one, and another you will get in front side. Okay, here are 2 safety relays. One is here and another is here. This should very important while you pressing this button, the start push button. All the input 1 and input out should glow, and this will turn on this extension module. Here is the second safety door switch. Okay, so here is control voltage off switch, here is control voltage on switch, and here is cycle start switch. And first you have to reset by F10 or this symbol you can see here. Okay, the error was gone. Now you have to calibrate it, which can automatically calibrate the machine in calibration for the axis on the origin position. And then after you have to press this key. No, first you have to start the control voltage, then all this message will go on, and then after press this button to start the program. Okay, it's safe for axis calibration, so that can you do by from here. But let us reduce the speed, because you know I can reduce the speed from here, jog speed. Okay, now you can start the calibration, and you will see motor in moving condition, so you have to press this cycle start button here.
Now the machine is started to move. You can see. This X motor will go there, Z down and V up.
Let's see the PLC output during this condition. After completion of this calibration, the machine will automatically stop. Its control voltage will stop. So again on, you have to first press reset, and then after press this. Now go in automatic mode. You can set any test program from here. Okay. Again asking. If you press here in the manual and using this key, so you can move up and down. Okay, now we getting down V1, getting down the V1. V is here. We will getting it down. Okay, so it shows the message caution risk of collision, because we are running this in manually. In their automatic there is no any error, so you can start your program by pressing this one. But right now we have to there is issue with the clamp. You can see there is a clamp, so that's why it will not work right now. Otherwise you can start or edit your program from here. Okay.